Hey, we're going to set up a custom domain for our website. Let's first check out the current state of our website before we make any changes. To start, we're going to click on the website in the sidebar and then author profile. To preview our current site, click on the website dropdown and click view website to see the To set up our custom domain, let's click on the custom domain nav item in the sidebar. Enter your domain name. As a sanity check, I normally copy and paste it from my domain provider. This will populate the required DNS records you'll enter into your domain provider. Let's start with the A record. Our domain provider is GoDaddy. We'll go there and navigate to our DNS records. As you can see, the A record has already been set up. All we need to do is edit the record. The @ symbol indicates the root domain. The value is what we want to replace. Let's make sure we don't have any trailing or leading white space. Next, we'll verify the www CNAME record. This is normally already set up in GoDaddy, so you don't need to create anything new. Finally, we'll set the CAA record, which gives us the authority to mint an SSL record for you. Different domain providers will render the field differently. With GoDaddy, we get 3 distinct fields to fill out. The name record should be the @ symbol. Flag should be set to 0, tag should be set to issue, domain should be set to let'sencrypt.org. Now let's return to Cavin's Press and we'll wait for the values to validate. This can take anywhere from 2 to 30 minutes, in extreme cases up to 48 hours. Don't be surprised if the website is not immediately available. After waiting a bit, you'll see the active chip in the upper right-hand corner and the certificate is generated. Let's go check out the custom domain. In later videos, we'll cover custom theming of the website and objective-driven website design.